Copy flop, take 51.
Hi there, I'm Arthur. They call me Honest Arthur. I really don't know why they do, because I've managed to hack into the Copydoc website, which gives me the ideal opportunity to tell you about my company, Copyflop. As you can see, we're really cheap. Unlike Copydoc, we are professional. We would never, ever use the wrong tools for the job.
Cut! Copy flop, scene 2, take 1.
So, Terry mate, so how did you get on at the hospital?
They said you could have killed me.
Oh, that's not very good, is it? Oh, sorry. At Copyflop, we completely refurbish each and every single machine. Each machine comes fully equipped with plenty of paper trays. You also get an automatic page turning thingy, and you also get an automatic document reversing handling system.
Copy flop, scene 3, take 72.
Hi there. Once Terry, our very capable engineer, has fully refurbished your machine, we obviously fully road test these machines before we deliver them to you. Just to show you, I'm just going to power this little beauty up. Remember, don't you be late in the morning, Terry.
Copy flop, scene 4, take whatever.
So remember folks, Copyflop, we're cheap.